Today let's do easy and effective exercises just sitting in a chair to finally get rid of your belly fat. These are so easy, anybody can do them. Age is no limit, and if you're a beginner, then also it's not a problem. These are completely beginner friendly. So let's begin the exercise without much ado. Before we start any exercise, it's very important to warm your body up. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, you have to sit straight in the chair. You have to take your hands up like this to your chest level. Don't have any droopy elbows. Absolutely straight, and try and stretch your legs out with your toes pointing inwards. Hold it to the count of 5, then back again, and let's do it together. Keep your core tight at all times so you can feel that stretch. This one's a perfect exercise for a tight tummy and a slim waist. For the next exercise, it's very easy. You have to sit straight in the chair, keep your core tight at all times, your shoulders pushed backwards. Try and touch your elbow with your knee as a diagonal. So simple, and it's going to target your side belly fat. Let's do it together. Now for another easy exercise to target your side belly fat, that side hanging belly, which definitely needs to go away so you can fit into your favorite clothes and fasten your buttons. It's very easy. You come sideways like this. Go all the way down, take the help of the chair. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, we're going to take the help of the chair, hold it tight, take our legs up like this and flap your legs. Let's do it together. It's so easy and so effective for the lower belly pooch. For the next exercise, we're going to make big circles with both our legs joined together. You're going to keep your knees together and then make the circles. It's very easy, very effective. Keep your movement absolutely slow and controlled. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, we're going to spread our legs about more than shoulder width apart. Keep your core tight, your shoulders pushed backwards, and let's do the toe touch, sitting in a chair. So easy, so effective. Exhale when you go down. Now let's do it together. We often see people suffering from bloating, from a big belly, and also from acidity. Now all this is related to your food habits. If you don't keep your food habits clean, you're sure to have these problems. But exercise plays a very important role. So I would suggest you do these very exercises morning and evening without any fail. Try and do it on an empty stomach. That way you can feel all the more stretch, and always keep your core tight. Even if through the day when you're sitting or standing, try and keep your posture straight. Don't have a droopy posture. These things contribute to the entire digestive system and for it to work perfectly fine. Give up eating processed food and all the junk food that you crave for. Start eating freshly cooked meals. Eat lots of vegetables with your main meals and you're sure to see results. You just have to regulate your meal patterns, you have to regulate your sleep cycle and your water. If you're not drinking enough water through the day, you're bound to see sugar cravings, overeating, a lot of other things which come along with it. So make sure you keep these tabs under control, follow these exercises which I have taught you, you're sure to see results. So there are many people who have joined my weight loss program and have seen tremendous results because I actually create a team for them to work along with them. For them to know what kind of food they have to eat, we prepare an entire meal pattern for the whole day along with the meal timings, which is completely customized and planned according to their daily routine. Whether you're a housewife or working, you can easily follow these meal patterns because my recipes are quick and easy to make. Along with the meals, you're also given a lot of recipes which you can try out day in and day out, and not just you, even your family can enjoy the same meal patterns. I'm sure you enjoyed today's video. Then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with many other people who can benefit from it. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos.